Hi everyone, welcome to chemistry class with Chris once more. So this year the titration is between strong acid and strong base, and because it's between strong acid and strong base, we can use phenolphthalein as an indicator, and we can also use the methyl orange as an indicator. So at this point I'm going to prepare the phenolphthalein that we are going to use, and we're also going to prepare methyl orange. We are going to try the two in our titration to know the outcome of this titration. So to prepare our phenolphthalein, I'm going to prepare the phenolphthalein with ethanol. You know why? Phenolphthalein is not soluble in water. So first of all, I'm going to measure 1 gram of phenolphthalein, dissolve it in 50 centimeter cube of ethanol, then I will add it up to 100 centimeter cube. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
You don't see that like a fool at the hand.
So now I've measured out 1.0 gram of phenolphthalein. I'll measure out 50 centimeter cube of ethanol. This is our ethanol. So remember, you always read below the meniscus level. So here I've measured out the ethanol. Then I'm going to dissolve it. Here is the 50 ml of ethanol. Then I'll make sure it dissolves very well. It's very well.